Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the no style type filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image, the yellow one. Okay, this is the effect. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do? Tap on the search button, and here search for nose style. Okay, the second one with 5477 videos. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for nose style filter. Okay, the first one, tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the search, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video. Okay, let me see what I'm getting. Number 2, American potato nose. I don't know what is this. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.